When you're looking through your photos, flags can be very helpful in determining which ones you want to keep, which ones you might want to get rid of, and which ones maybe aren't worth paying that much attention to. Let me show you how to do it. Here in Mylio Photos, I'm in the grid view, and over on the right-hand side, I have the rating tab open. Now up at the top, we have both a pick flag and a reject flag. And these do different things. A pick flag tells me that that's an image that I might want to pay some more attention to. Maybe I want to edit it, maybe I want to share it. You can determine for yourself what that flag means, but that's what I usually use it for. If I use a reject flag, that's something that is a candidate to be thrown in the trash. It's probably blurry. Maybe I accidentally took a picture of the ground, or it's not, the eye's not in focus. Something's usually wrong with that image that I don't think I can fix. And things that I leave unflagged, well, they're pictures that I want to keep, but they're not that interesting. So I can go through my images and start marking the ones that I think are worthy of spending a bit of extra time on very, very easily. And I'm doing this by selecting the image. You can see that it's selected by the blue border, or I can simply double click on that image to view it in single photo view, and then use that same command over here on the right, or I can use keyboard shortcuts. And this is actually the fastest and quickest way to use flags in Mylio Photos. From here, I can simply use the P key on the keyboard to mark this as a pick, or an X to mark this as a reject. In this image, the eye isn't quite in focus, so I'm going to mark that as a reject, and then use my arrow key to move on to the next picture. This one's much better, so I'm going to mark that as a pick. And then I can quickly move through my images to find and mark the images that I want to spend a little bit more time with later. And then when I'm ready, I can go into my all photos, use those quick filters to quickly and easily find all of my pics so I can go on and edit, share, and however I want to use my photos.